Acer Aspire 5 Best Budget Laptop. Price was $230.02, now price $179.99. About this item: slim laptop, 15.6 Full HD IPS, AMD Ryzen 3 3350U quad-core mobile processor, 4GB DDR4, 128GB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 6 backlit KB, Amazon Alexa, Windows 10 Home, S Mode. Series IdeaPad C330 brand Lenovo specific uses for product: personal screen size 11.6 inches, operating system Chrome OS, human interface input touchpad, CPU manufacturer MediaTek, color Blizzard white, connectivity technology 802.11 AC 2x2, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, hard disk size 64GB. Powerful productivity. AMD Ryzen 3 3350U delivers desktop-class performance and amazing battery life in a slim notebook. With Precision Boost, get up to 3.5 GHz for your high-demand applications. Maximized visuals. See even more on this stunning 15.6 Full HD display with 82.58% screen-to-body, 16:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezels, backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader, biometric fingerprint reader and Windows Hello sign-in options help keep your Acer PC secure. Internal specifications: 4GB DDR4 onboard memory, 1 slot available, 128GB NVMe solid-state drive storage, 1 hard drive bay available to store your files and media. Acer's purified voice technology features enhanced digital signal processing to cancel out background noise, improve speech accuracy and far-field pickup, which not only makes calls clearer but makes talking to Alexa easier than before. Using Alexa on your PC is as easy as asking a question. Just ask and Alexa can check your calendar, create lists, play music, answer questions, read the news and more. Secure operating system. Windows 10 Home S Mode comes with advanced security features built right in, like protections against phishing and malicious software, so you don't have to think twice when navigating to a new web page or downloading an app. Connections: 802.11 AX, Wi-Fi 6 dual band, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz featuring MIMO technology, 10,100 1000 gigabit Ethernet LAN, Bluetooth 5.1 ports for all your accessories, USB 3.2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 power off charging, USB 2.0, HDMI 2.0 with HDCP support, headphone speaker line out jack, Ethernet, RJ45 DC and for AC adapter. Check description for product URL. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.